Hello there. That's the whistle of a Mississippi riverboat. It'll be landing here in St. Petersburg, Missouri, any minute now. You know, everybody here in St. Petersburg likes to watch the riverboats come and go. You can come down here to the riverbank any time of day and find us folks gathered around, waiting for a boat. And you know what we do while we're waiting? That's right. We swap stories. Stories about the river, stories about other townsfolk, and especially our favorite story about Tom Sawyer and how he found gold one summer many years ago.